Now Bachelor of Science 2020 batch, Sushma Nazari. Only one person, the student has turned up. And she will be followed by, from the Bachelor of Commerce, Joyce Das. Joyce Das. Lokeshwari Boro. Now I would like to start conferring the degrees to B.Ed candidates 2020 batch. Anjan Borua, Bhargav Sayansi and Nizara Das. Batch. Anjan Borua. Next to him will be Bhargav Sayansi. He will be followed by Nizara Das. B.Ed 2022 batch 2023. Unus Rupa Malakar, Asta Devi Nazari, Prodip Das, Simi Nazari, Shelofar Hussain, Asida Begum. First should be Nizara is gone. Nizara. Unus Rupa Malakar. Malakar is there. She will be followed by Asta Devi Nazari. Next to Asta Devi would be Prodip Das. Prodip Das. After Prodip Das, Salupar Hussain. Asida Begum. This is happening due to we could not collect the signature in due course of time.
The students are requested, please do not leave the convocation hall. The students are asked to please stay back.
Hussain. Nilupar Hussain is there. আসতে দিও আসতে দিও and now let me finish here. B.Ed 2022 batch Bornali Kolita Ferusha Brahmo Pusmita Saha Toskira Begum Madhurjo Rai. They are requested to come on the dais. First one would be Bornali Kolita. Next to Bornali would be Perusha Brahmo. Perusha. Next to Perusha is Pusmita Saha. Next to Pusmita is Toskira Begum. Next to Toskira is Madhurjo Rai. Busram Musahari. Next to Busram will be Rosmita Putla. Thank you. We have distributed the certificates to the toppers. If someone is left out, we will collect from the company. Thank you. And there is an announcement. If someone has taken some other certificate, please mutually exchange it. Otherwise, give it to us. We will arrange it accordingly. Thank you.